We'll set the plane using the plane tool. This can be done in different ways. Just a basic, simple way to set the plane is hover the cursor over the floor. As a visual cue, you see all the points which are in the same plane being highlighted in a bluish gray color. Double click to set the plane. Another way, first we'll delete this one. If you want to be sure, because as you can see, this plane is at an angle. If you want this to be 100% horizontal, hit the Shift key, and this will snap. Make sure your plane will snap to 0 degree and double click to set the plane. Again, let's delete this one. A third method is you click once, and by adding extra clicks, you define extra points which will define the plane, and to finish, double click. And we have the plane for our floor plan. So we'll name this plane ground floor. Enter.